What you're missing if you skip formulation and go straight to a manufacturer. Manufacturers play a critical role, but they're not product developers, and they're not responsible for your claims, message, or ingredient strategy. We've helped thousands of brands avoid the mistakes that happen when founders skip the product development process. Today, I'll show you what you miss when you go straight to a CMO. Number 1, manufacturers run production. They don't build your brand. Manufacturers don't determine your claims, your customer experience, your ingredient forms, your dosing strategy, or your brand message. These decisions belong to you, and we help you define them. Number 2, your brand must drive the product, not the manufacturer. We help brands choose ingredients that support their claims, build formulas that make sense for their goals, and create a product direction that aligns with their message. If you're a real brand, manufacturers shouldn't be dictating these decisions. Number 3, manufacturers need a clear direction to do their best work. When a brand shows up unprepared, manufacturers do their best, but the product often becomes inconsistent or diluted. We provide the structure, documentation, and clarity that allows your CMO to run at the highest level. Number 4, skipping development creates expensive problems. When founders go straight to manufacturing, they run into unrealistic serving sizes, ingredients that don't run, flavors that don't work, sourcing problems, and claim issues. We help you avoid these risks long before you reach the production line. Number 5, brands that prepare win. When your formula is structured and documented properly, manufacturers can execute with consistency and accuracy, and your product succeeds. Manufacturers are essential partners, but development has to come first. When your brand leads the strategy and we support the process, you build products that stand out and last. I'm Matt from Hydroscience, making sure your products stand out in the market.
Let us grow your brand from idea to reality.